Kitty kitty. Kitty kitties. Hey, come on. What do we have here? Come here. Yeah, come here. Come on up here. Yeah. What do we have here? Let's check it out. What does Kitty think about the giant calamari? Let's check it out. What do you think? Let's see what is all up. What's up with the giant calamari? Kitty kitty. God, this looks gross. Hey. Kitty kitty. Hey, girl. Looky. Looky. Is that a weird taste? Is that a weird deal? Is that inedible? Is that gross? What do you think? Oh, I guess it's gross. All right. Well, now you know. Picky cats don't like calamari. Kinda don't blame them.